Sarah? What time is it? It's 8:30. Get up and have breakfast. Oh my God. I'm gonna be late. My boss is gonna kill me. Chill out, Emily. It's Sunday. What's wrong with you? You don't have to go to work today. Oh, right. What a relief. I was just dreaming that I was at work doing a presentation. That's why I thought it was Monday. You have been working too much lately. Maybe you should have taken a part-time job too. You need to slow down and start taking care of yourself. I need to supplement our income to be able to pay the mortgage for our house. I understand, but your health is important too. Don't worry, it's only temporary. I'll be fine. What would you like to drink? Tea? Coffee? I'd love a cup of coffee, please. Coffee, okay. Here you go. Help yourself to milk and sugar. Thanks. What would you like for breakfast? Do we have any yogurt and fruit? We have yogurt, but we don't have much fruit, I'm afraid. Just apples. Okay, I'll have yogurt and an apple, please. And would you like some eggs and sausages? Oh, yes, please. One egg or two? Two. Talking about burglars in the neighborhood. Sarah, burglaries in our neighborhood have been on the rise, and we need to do something to protect ourselves. You're right. I heard that some robbers ripped off a few cars in our neighborhood. We were lucky that it didn't happen to us too. What can we do? We should install a security door and a burglar alarm. Burglars hate noises, so even a small alarm usually sends them running. Yeah, that's a very good idea. We should also buy security cameras. These tell burglars that someone is watching, and they'll think again before trying to break in. We can also add exterior lights and motion detectors. Yeah, that's great. What about the windows? How can we secure them? Burglars break into the house through the windows many times. We could secure them with simple window locks. Wonderful. I'll take care of everything. Talking about power outage. Sarah, we've just suffered a power outage. What should I do now? Oh, rest easy. I'm going to guide you through the whole thing. First of all, you need to check to see if other neighbors are affected too. Okay. No, it seems that the outage is only affecting our home. Okay. Then you need to take the flashlight and go down to the basement and check the fuse box. But where is the flashlight? It's in the hallway on top of the coat rack. Oh yeah, I remember. I've seen it there before. Okay, I'm going to the basement now. The fuse box is to the left of the stairs. Can you see it? Yes, I've found it. Now open the door and look inside to find any breakers that have turned off. Yes, I can see one breaker that is turned off. Perfect. To reset the breaker, simply turn it back to the on position. I hope you've liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos.